Hey there, it's Anna here. Today, we're talking about an easy and eco-friendly way to keep your garbage disposal fresh and clean. You won't believe the power of something as simple as orange peels. Orange peels are a natural and effective way to deodorize your garbage disposal. Simply throw some peels down the drain and turn on the disposal for a quick and easy refresh. Orange peels also contain citric acid, which can help break down any lingering food particles and prevent clogs. And the best part? Using orange peels is a cost-effective and chemical-free alternative to store-bought cleaners. You can even add some other ingredients like mint or cinnamon sticks to give your disposal an extra boost of scent. Don't just take our word for it. Give this hack a try for yourself and see the difference it can make. This is how you need to clean your garbage disposal with orange peel. Gather your orange peels. You can use fresh or dried peels for this task. Grind up the peels using your garbage disposal. Once the peels have been ground up, turn on the cold water and let it run for a few seconds to flush out the disposal. If you have a particularly stubborn odor in your disposal, you can add a small amount of vinegar to the peels before grinding them up. Repeat this process every few weeks to keep your disposal smelling fresh and clean. We hope you found this tip helpful and will give it a try in your own home. If you have any other eco-friendly cleaning hacks or tips, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.